all good.
All right, good. So I'm David Ewing. I am the president of Firia Labs. I'm an electrical engineer by training, and I've been doing hardware and software development for a lot of years now. We are building products for education technology with Firia Labs, but also we have a consultancy called Firia that builds hardware and software systems for lots of different companies all around the world. I have a bachelor's in electrical engineering from Auburn University. I always kind of thought I would go back and maybe get a master's degree or a PhD. It seemed to be more intriguing to go and do the next company or research a technology on my own. As far as when we look for additional engineers or other staff, I really look for a passion for what they do. Firstly. Secondarily, I'll look at what their educational background is. However, we have such a diverse background of our team that I've seen the benefits of having people that have more experience through in the trenches work and maybe have an educational background that's quite different than what you would traditionally think of an engineer having. So I started out after graduating college working for a really cool NASA project called Space Lab that flew in the space shuttle. I moved into a company that was in telecommunications and built lots of really cool products that moved data around and was there when sort of the internet kind of broke out. So it shows you how long ago it was. And then moved from there into Internet of Things, basically little tiny computers that go inside of all kinds of products. Throughout all of it though, there's been sort of an intersection of hardware and software. So I think being an entrepreneur is a great way to learn about all aspects of how things are put together. That's really what I think drew me into it. Wanting to go off kind of in my own directions and try different things. And there's just a lot of opportunities to wear a lot of hats, to learn a lot of new things. So if you're considering a job in a technical field, I would definitely recommend getting some projects of your own that you really kind of want to do that are related to the field, and try to do those on your own as a hobbyist, or on the side. Start small. You're going to learn what you love and what you don't love. Building projects is a really huge piece of learning things. And that's once you're a professional doing it every day, that's kind of what you're doing. You're doing experiments. You're learning new technologies or learning new approaches. So as someone just getting started, you're doing exactly the same thing, just experimenting and learning on your own, and that will lead you where you need to go. What I love about my job is being around really passionate people who enjoy making things work, who enjoy seeing the smile on people's faces when we build something that works really well and that they love. And I think that's individually what I love about it too. When I'm creating something, whether it's software or hardware or both, I think about how cool it's going to be when somebody gets to use this, and how I'm going to be really proud to see it and to see the smile on their face when it's working well for them. That's what brings me joy, and in the teams that I've worked with that I've really bonded with well, it's getting better at doing what you do, and learning new things is fun too. But also just thinking about that end objective of making people smile.